Render token is one of the most bullish altcoins in the crypto space. In this video I will tell you why, and I will share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. So let's go straight into the content. Render token is right now on place 23 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $4.3 billion. Render is the second biggest AI crypto coin and the whole market cap of all AI crypto coins, $37 billion. And I think that the AI coins will outperform every other crypto niche in this bull run. So I think AI coins have already a great potential, but I think Render token will be one of the best performing ones. Because if we have a look at the chart, you can see that we had the last all-time high right here at 2021. And Render token already pushed over this last all-time high, and most of the altcoins are not already near the last all-time high, and Render already pushed above this last all-time high. And as you can see, Render retraced to the downside again and then pushed again over this all-time high right here now. And if we have a look at Bitcoin, you can see that we are retracing right now from the newest all-time high from $73,000. So Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is not moving to the upside right now. We are still retracing to the downside, but Render token is right now pushing to the upside again. So this is a very bullish sign, and I think Render is a great project with a very high potential. And also if we have a look at the daily chart, you can see that we had this demand zone right here. This was the start of this bullish push to the last highs right here. And we already came back into this demand zone and then saw this bullish reaction. And lately we saw this bullish push out of this zone. We also broke this last high right here on the daily structure. And we also retested this last high, or retesting it right now with this daily candle. So right now the chance is extremely high that we can continue the bullish momentum. And of course the next interesting price target is the last all-time high. And if we're also breaking it to the upside, then we go on price discovery, and the chance that we could see a massive explosion is there. Especially if we have a look at the Nvidia earnings date on May 22, because Nvidia pushed the whole AI crypto space to the upside. And if we have really nice data on this earnings date, then I think the chance is high that all AI coins will explode to the upside. And of course the chance is also high that Render can see even higher prices. And to calculate the next potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we have this next potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $18.50. And I think this one is very realistic, because again, on the weekly time frame, you can see that we saw this massive bullish power to the upside. And I think the chance is high that we could see another explosion like this. So I think the next really interesting price target is the 2.618 Fibonacci with a price target of $26. And just from the prices right now to this next potential price target, we would have potential over 130%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Render. And if you want to trade Render, you can do this on Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC, no VPN trading platform. So especially if you're from the US, UK, Netherlands or Canada, you can legally trade on this platform, and if you're using my link, you get up to $5,500 trading bonus. You will find the link for Bitunix in the description. So again, I think that $26 is a very realistic price target for the next prices. But for the long run, I'm very bullish on the AI coins. I think they have a massive potential that we could see even higher market caps. Because again, we just have a market cap of $37 billion in this AI space. And I think we could easily see a 10 to 50x on the whole market cap of the AI tokens. So for the long term, I'm really bullish on Render token. And if we're going on the 4-hourly chart again, you can see that we are seeing this bullish structure right now. As I said, we also broke this last high, because from this high we saw this move to the downside. We made a lower low. And after we came out of this demand zone to the upside, we broke this last high. So we are on a daily order flow, bullish daily order flow again. And as you can see, we are right now making higher highs and higher lows. And the chances high that we can see even higher prices in the near future. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Render, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.